year 2000, a new star arose in the world of Indian tractors. Indo-Farm Tractor, and brought along with it unsurpassed features like faith, guarantee, superior quality, and savings. Indian farmers recognized the qualities of the Indo-Farm Tractor, and soon the Indo-Farm Tractor was the first choice of the Indian farmer. In less than a decade, Indo-Farm Equipment Limited now manufactures a range of models in the 33 horsepower to 65 horsepower range to fulfill the various needs of Indian farmers. With the great success of Indo-Farm tractors, acquiring mastery in the making of Indo-Power genset engines and Indo-Power pick-and-carry hydraulic cranes was the next step. Various models of Indo-Power cranes are available in the range of 9 tons to 18 tons, and various models of Indo-Power genset engines in the range of 15 kVA to 40 kVA. Indo-Farm Equipment Limited has always maintained best quality standards. That is why Indo-Farm Equipment Limited is an ISO certified company today. Indo-Farm Equipment Limited's state-of-the-art manufacturing plant, spread over 34 acres, is located in Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. Today, Indo-Farm Equipment Limited's distribution and service network is available not only across the entire country, but even in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Nepal. Also, Indo-Power genset engines are exported to UK, USA, UAE, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, New Zealand, South Africa, Lebanon, Syria, Israel, Portugal, Nigeria, Congo and other countries. Indo-Farm Equipment Limited boasts of its own foundry unit and press shop, which not only ensure the quality of the components, but also control the cost. This is why Indo-Farm Equipment Limited can ensure that spares are made available to its customers at the right cost. Indo-Farm Equipment Limited's state-of-the-art machine shop has more than 150 modern machines, SPMs, and ultra-modern CNC machining centers. Here, high-quality cylinder heads, blocks, transmission housings, gearboxes, hydraulic housings, cages, timing cases, flywheel housings, etc. are made to make high-quality components from modern machines, and high-quality tractors, cranes and genset engines from these components. A modern research and development center is needed. Also needed are skilled technocrats and a competent marketing team. And this is the reason why our customers are so happy with our quality and services. After purchasing the tractor, I left the village and moved to the city. My son is studying in Chandigarh now. All this is thanks to Indo-Farm. I now have 3 cranes and have ordered for 2 more because my work has also increased and it's balle time for me. This tractor has not reached all parts of Tamil Nadu, but in future it will be the #1 tractor in Tamil Nadu. Indo-Farm Tractor is the ship of Rajasthan. I like this crane very much. If you have to buy a crane, then only buy Indo-Power, don't buy anything else. It's perfectly okay for lifting, working, for any kind of work. Indo-Farm Tractor is the #1 tractor of Haryana. We treat it like a family member. This tractor is the king of Gujarat. Indo-Power for me is like a big bull, a very powerful bull. Indo-Farm Tractor, mark of a farmer, mark of our Punjab, and mark of our generations to come. I have 2 sons, and my 3rd son is the Indo-Farm Tractor, the earning son. It was the dream of the managing director of Indofarm Equipment Limited, Mr. R.S. Khadwalia, to make a high-quality tractor for the Indian farmer. Today, this dream has not only become a reality, but it is growing at a rapid rate by leaps and bounds. Recognizing the vision and the leadership of Mr. R.S. Khadwalia, Entrepreneur Development Institute of India, Ahmedabad, awarded him with the Entrepreneur of the Year Award in 2003.
The 2003 Bharatiya Entrepreneur of the Year Award goes to Mr. R.S. Khadwalia of Indofarm Equipment Limited.
This award is a testimony to the superior qualities and modern technology employed by Indofarm Equipment Limited. After such high accolades, need we say more about Indofarm tractors? Indofarm Equipment Limited, the symbol of prosperity.